Little fifth graders, you are hereby commanded to solve that problem on your sheet of paper. 4th 6th plus 6/12. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. So we have 4 6 plus 6/12. We first had to find the least common denominator. That should have been 12. Again, to do this, 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 12 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Stop. You have one that's the same. That becomes your denominator. Now we must find our new numerator. 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 12 times 1 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6. And now we add the numerators. 8 plus 6 is 14. The denominator stays the same. This is an improper fraction, so I must change it to a mixed number. 12 going to 14 one time. 14 minus 12 is 2. My whole number, 1. My numerator, 2. My denominator, 12. Now I got to see if it's in simplest form. I find the factors of my numerator and my denominator. My factors of 2 are 1 and 2. My factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. They have 1 in common and 2 in common. That means this must be in simplest form. I got to divide by 2. 2 is my greatest common factor. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now, this is not my answer because I must bring over my whole number. My answer is 1 and 1, 6. And the truth shall set you free. All right, that was a review. All of this review now because we should be getting very good at these. Now I want you to add the mixed numbers. 10 and 1/3 plus 1 and 7/9. Do not forget, add the fractions first, then add all the whole numbers with it. Do that now. Pause video. All right, let's see how wonderful you did. Step number 1, find the new denominator. And it will be 9. You got 3, you got 9, 3, 6, and 9. 9. That's the first one they have. That's the same. 9 times 1 is 9. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, add the numerators. 3 plus 7 is 10. The denominator stays the same. I got to ask myself the 2 questions. Is this an improper fraction? Yes, indeed it is. So now I must change it to a mixed number. 9 going to 10, 1 time. 1 times 9 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Whole number, 1. Numerator, 1. Denominator, 9. I know this is in simplest form because 1 is the numerator. Now my last step is to add all the whole numbers. Whole number, whole number, whole number. I got 3 of them. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 and 1/9 is the truth. and the only truth. This is it. There is only one truth, and here it is. All right. Let's do another one. 3 1/4 plus 6 2/3. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. Step number 1, I must find the least common denominator. I've got to find my new denominator. And that would end up being 12. Okay, because you took your 4, you took your 3, you did 4, 8, 12, maybe you went to 16. Here you went 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the first one you came across that they have that is the same. All right, my numerators. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. Now you find your new numerators. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Denominator stays the same, 11 twelfths. Ask yourself the two important questions. Is this an improper fraction? No, it is not. Is this in simplest form? It is, but I want to show you as a reminder, the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. They only have 1 as a common factor. That means it is in simplest form. So the last thing I need to do is add the whole numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9. Your answer is 9 and 11 twelfths. The truth shall set you free. All right. Last practice before you get to work. 2 1/2 plus 2 1/6. Solve this problem now. Pause video. All right. Let's see how bad you did. How good you did. I got to find my least common denominator. You should have got 6 as your least common denominator. Let's find our numerators. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. All right. 6 is my denominator. 3 plus 1 is 4. Remember, you just add the numerators. The denominator stays the same. Now I've got to ask myself the two important questions. Is this an improper fraction? It is not. Is this in simplest form? It is not. I must simplify this fraction. My factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. My factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Circle the ones that are the same, 1 and 2. 2 is the greatest common factor. That's what I've used to divide. 2 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. My last step, add all the whole numbers. 2 plus 2. Put it with my fraction. There is the final answer. 4 2/3. beautiful math. I know that you love it, and it's a good thing that you love it because you've got work to do in Google Classroom, and you need to get on with that.